guys, Todd Gordon, tradinganalysis.com. It is Wednesday night, and I just came in from shoveling snow in my house. So I did both entrances to the house. I did the back deck, and it's like almost 6:30, and I finally hear the plow guy here. So I'm sure he's going to be going. We have a circle in front of our house, and I'm sure he's going to push all that snow in front of the entrances, both entrances in the front of our house. So I'll have to go out and shovel it again. Awesome. Anyways, why do you care about that? Well, you know, part of this, the harsh winter that we've seen in the East Coast is actually putting a lot of volatility into this market, and it's been trading really well. And you know, make no mistake, volatility equals high emotion equals very clean, smooth price trends, and that's exactly what Elliott Wave and Fibonacci is designed to pick up. So, Natty Gas has been trading great. You know, again, we were lucky enough to buy it at the 4 level. We did it on the free video here. January 10th must have been the video, so you can go back and check it. We exited a long position, and now we're actually looking for the top of wave 5, following a good clean move, right? So it's going to be wave 1 off the side of the screen here, down in 2, a good 5-wave move up for 3. Nice ABC, which is what they call a flat correction. And then we're looking for another 5-wave move to make up wave 5. Pretty simple, okay? So up here, we have a lot of Fibonacci. And the way you do it, guys, is it's really pretty simple. You just click on the degree you want to study, go down to ratio analysis, and then pull out your wave 5 studies. And then just look for the cluster of green and orange levels. And that's where you want to be focusing your upside target, right? So I'm just going to go back and use the replay function here and show you how this played out, and then I'm going to show you where we're looking at going forward. So pull back in wave 4, sharp move up into the Fibonacci resistance zone, and then bam, right back down. So the resistance zone held really well, and what I want to do now is focus on where we're going in the future, okay? So after every 5-wave move, okay, you should put in at least a 3-wave correction, okay? And the 3-wave correction, minimum, you're going to target the area of the prior 4th. So that's about 4.72. That's a very conservative target. Okay, and if we look up at the higher time frames, this is a 3-hour chart. If you look at the higher time frame, like a daily, we really should get down to this prior 4th, which is where the move all began. So it's actually at the $4 level. So I want to set up trades to take us down to that level. Now, we'll be conservative and just call this an A, B, C correction. Typically, A wave is a 5-wave move, and it's going to look like this, okay? So you'll notice we had a sharp move down here, and I'm thinking that's the first wave, okay? So what I'll do is just snap this up, put this up in wave 2, give us a good target down 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. How far will wave 2 go? Pretty simple, ratio analysis. I just want to know the relationship of wave 2 verse 1, we'll look for the green level to come into play, and that's at 5.47 in the futures to set up a short trade down to your 4.72 level. Okay, so that's the short term. I think from there we'll get a bounce and then maybe a retest of the $4 level. So, you know, a good way to do it is, you know, with pumped up volatility like this, I think it's a good idea to sell premium up here. You know, you could sell some premium up around the 5.4, 5.6 on the bounce back. Right? You could sell some call credit spreads up here. You could sell some out of the money calls to do that. Or you could do some kind of spread. You know, if you want to buy some puts, you could buy some at the monies and pair it up with a lower 4.7. You know, buy it up, create the spread right there. So, you know, we like to do it in the UNG. So it's not such an expensive product as the natural gas futures. So, you know, that's what we're looking to do. We are going to begin launching a service that focuses on stocks, options, and ETFs like this trade. Okay, so we're going to be focusing on ETFs in the commodity markets like GLD, and then the UNG, USO, trade. We do a lot of bonds, you know, TLT and stuff like that. We do individual stocks as well. So we're going to have a lot of information coming out on that in the future. So be on the lookout. I've been working hard on it, so pretty excited. And we will leave it there and see you on the next update. Good luck trading.